The most dangerous enemy of your success is not distraction, it is decision fatigue. This invisible drain exhausts you before your day even begins. You wake with ambition, but by noon, you're too mentally tired for your most important task, the one that builds your importance. You spend limited mental energy on low-value choices: what to eat, which email first, what playlist. By the time you work on your legacy goal, your willpower is at 10%. This silent killer forces brilliant people to settle for underachievement. In the next few minutes, I'll give you a definitive 3-part system to eliminate decision fatigue forever. This is how the world's highest achievers, from CEOs to artists, conserve mental energy for only the most high-value work. This framework is automated and enforced by the AnBTask application. Part 1. The principle of pre-commitment. The solution is simple. Decide once, execute many times. Make high-value choices the night before, when mental energy is low, so your mind transitions straight to execution. This involves pre-commitment in 3 areas. The schedule. Your day must be time-blocked the night before. You must know the exact task, start time, and end time for your entire morning. The core task. Isolate and name your one most important, non-negotiable task for the next day. This ensures your day's first energy is spent on your legacy, not on deciding what to work on. The environment, your clothes, breakfast, and workstation must be chosen and prepared. Reduce the friction of starting to zero. Part 2. The routine automation loop. Decision fatigue thrives on novelty. Conquer it by building non-negotiable routines that demand no thought. We call this the routine automation loop. Create a sequence for every high-frequency activity. The morning routine. What is the exact sequence from waking until your first time block? Make it the same every day. The inbox routine. Schedule 15 minutes twice daily to check email. Outside these blocks, the inbox is closed. Do not let external demands hijack your focus with urgent notifications. The maintenance routine. Automate tasks like tidying your desk, processing low-value messages, and prepping lunch. When these tasks are automatic, your brain doesn't spend energy thinking about them. Part 3. The AnBTask system, the automated decider. Relying on memory for routines creates friction. You need a system that enforces pre-committed decisions. AnBTask transforms discipline into digital automation. It forces pre-commitment. The app prompts you to schedule your non-negotiable core task and time blocks before your day ends. It manages micro-choices. By breaking overwhelming goals into single next actions, AnBTask eliminates the daily struggle of where to start. You look at the app and the answer is presented. It protects your willpower. The system reserves cognitive fuel for execution, for deep, focused work. And never wasted on shallow, reactive decisions that lead to burnout. Final command. Claim your mental energy. The chaos in your mind is a choice. If you're ready for true freedom as the architect of your time, stop relying on willpower and start relying on system. Your legacy is built by decision quality, not effort quantity. The AnBTask application gives you the disciplined architecture to master your mind, eliminate decision fatigue, and reserve your greatest energy for importance. Click the link, download AnBTask now, and transform from reactive to unstoppable.